Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today we got Sophie. She is our Bernese Mountain Dog and Boxer mix, and we were going to groom her. And we got the Neakasa Pet Grooming Kit. It's a P1 Pro, so there's a bunch of different attachments in here. I just want to watch her, make sure she doesn't move around on the table. Anyway, so you have like a brush attachment, and what you're doing is when you push that lever, it basically sucks in the hair after you go through her fur. And then we got the, yeah, you're okay. You okay? All right, then we have the vacuum part, and it has this other brush attachment. Same thing. As soon as you push on that, it will push the hair off the brush, and then it'll suck into this container. So underneath, we have the extension cord. It has a cool cord wrap on it. So decent amount of cord. And we'll plug this in. Alright, and then basically we just put that here, and the power switch is on here on top. So it's not too bad of a loud vacuum. And then we just start brushing her through. And then as it gets stuck, you just push that head out, and then it'll suck all the fur into the vacuum, as you can kind of see. Again, once you get some hair, just push that. I'll clear the head out for you. It's also good if they got a lot of dander and stuff. I'll vacuum that right out of the fur, and she doesn't mind it. Again, we just suck that right off. Then we have the other brush attachment. So disconnect. Connect that. And then you have another brush attachment that goes through. And then same thing. Just push that, and then it'll suck the hair in. Sometimes got to give it a little bit of help, but especially in the long hair breeds. And again, just suck that in, and just clear all the hair out. And you can see how it clumps in that vacuum. Then we have a little bit of a razor attachment. Plug that in. So that's like your razor. So if you're doing some grooming along her feet, you can get her paws nice and clean and cleaned up. Clean her toes. And then you can disconnect that. So clean off your table. And you shut the vacuum off. You're doing a good girl. Good girl. Then this lifts up. And then basically you open the bottom clip up. Then you dump the fur out. And you have another little air pad here. Snap it back in, and then you're ready to go again. Brian with Garage Mahal with your pet grooming kit. Anyway, be safe out there.